for us to monetize our content. You have an idea, maybe you have an hobby. You can have an hobby, you have any idea about how you can make, you have hobby about liking, selling of motivation, you have an hobby of maybe you know how to cook, you have an hobby in any area of your life that you know. If you are a content creator or you like telling stories, it's a way for you to monetize your skills. Don't wait until you reach to some certain age. This era that we are is a digital opportunity for us to make money online. So this opportunity is how we can what? We can monetize our X account to start making a little dime. You can't be in X for a year, 365 years days, and you won't be able to make money on X. As far as you are showing up every time, every day. So I will use my account as an example for us on how to get that done. So let us come to our X account. So this is my X account right now. So this is my X account. So this is my X account. So let me show you. Let me reload it once again. So I have to reload it so we can actually see. So this is an X. What do we need to do now? We want video to be able to show. So I'm also an e-commerce website designer. Maybe you have a brand or you have a business that you want to put on, or you want to actually scale up your business as well. So this is an opportunity for you. You can reach out to us on our what through the comment section, or you can reach out to us in X, which is Exact Success. So now we are talking about X. So this X is owned by Elon Musk, and it was actually brought from one of the shareholders. So Elon Musk converted in a way of making money. So what are we doing now? I want to teach us how we can monetize our content as a what? As a person. It's not until maybe you are out of school or you are not in school again, or you can start making money at the beginning. You are a content creator, you know how to, maybe you know how to cook, you have something that you can make people being jovial, or you want to make people being lively to live. So this is an opportunity to optimize or to scale up your knowledge. So let me show you now. Now this is X. So this is X. So what there are some requirements that what it takes to monetize our content. There are requirements. Now what do you need? You need 500 verified followers. And these followers, so you can reach up to big what accounts. You can reach up to them, you follow them, then engaging under their comment section based on what you have hobby now. So from there you can be having some impression. So once you have 500 followers with a verified badge, you need 5 million impressions. And this impression stand out as people are engaging in your content, putting comments under your content, the more viral your content will be prompt on. So this third thing that you need is what? You need a badge, buying a blue tick, and this will also help you to skyrocket your content, because there is a limit to the basics, there is a limit, there is a premium package, there is a basic package. This one is a basic package I'm actually using, which I was experiment to grow, to monetize. So what do you need to do now? Is just to come to the premium. You come here to the premium section, which is what? 50% off. So here you have to monetize your content for you to be able to reach off to. So one thing is that if you having tax, maybe you have some amount of money to buy this bag, you can start growing it. Comment under people's post. comment, following people that they are in the same line of your niche. So that is how you can monetize the what? Your content. So you come through this here, you see, subscribe to our what? Subscribe to the what? Either the basic package, which is 3,005 naira monthly, or the premium, or the what? So there are some features when you actually what? There are some features that you are going to what? To unlock. If you are using the award, the basic one, which is what? Small replying boosting, book folder, then highlighting, editing posts, create long posts. So if you are using this premium is where you will be getting paid. So you have what? You have a verified check mark, enhanced growth access. Analyzing, you'll be able to analyze how your impression, the number of people that follow you, how your account is actually growing. Then you have less ad feed. Then boosting reply, it will help you to boost your reply. Then you can write article as well. Then getting paid for posts, you'll be getting paid for your posts. Then you have the creating subscription. Then you have the X Pro. So we have the what? The premium plus. This premium plus, you have full ad free. Grok, you have what? You have Grok, worth of $30. You have the what? The marketing place as well. Higher replying posts, radical advance, and so many kind of things for you to what? To get this. And this thing, once you can do that, you may not have the money right now, but you can start growing your account over and over. Just put yourself in the process and commit yourself. You can't do this thing within a year that you'll be able to make money through X. So this is one of the things that you can be able to make money. So this content, if you find this content on something that's being helpful, you can read what? That section for more content about how you can start making money online. This is one of the priorities. That is why we are what? We are grow to help each other. We are built, we are developed to help a lot of people. Sit down, inflect in yourself. Sometimes you be the one, you are the owner of your life. No one is here for you to what? To help you, but you can help yourself by reaching out to people. Going on to YouTube, people are what? People are making money graphically. You can start creating content through your phone. So you can see some of the followers. This person has what? 20,000 followers, 5.5 million impressions. So do you know how much this person is going to collect this month? So people are making money through X. It now depends on you how you want to work, what you want to do for. If it's that maybe you have motivation idea, you can start. You can even make your A to give you about a content that you can actually develop on. So you can, let me show you some of the likes I have. So any content that you want us to make it a capture or something that will be giving people on what people will be able to reply into your word. So this is the little information I wanted to share us today. If you wanted to start an e-commerce website, this is education. This YouTube channel is for what? How to make money. But if you have maybe you wanted to start an e-commerce website, or you having a business that you want to put it online, maybe you want to build a website, you wanted to develop e-commerce website, you can reach out to us as well. So these are kind of things that we are actually doing as a online. So we help people to solve their solution based on their needs. These are the value that we give out to people. So thank you for watching more. And if you find this content, subscribe to our channel to have the latest updates about our latest content. Thank you so much.